In a lush, green meadow, far from the bustling city, lived a humble bumblebee named Buzz. He was small, but he worked tirelessly, with a purpose that would put many to the test. Each morning, Buzz would rise with the sun, ready to fill the air with his gentle hum. He'd flutter from flower to flower, collecting the sweet nectar in his tiny jar. One day, Buzz came across a wilted bloom, with petals drooping and no color at all. He buzzed around it, trying to find a way, but nothing seemed to bring life to this poor flower. Buzz felt a pang in his heart, for he loved all creatures, big and small. He decided to ask the wise old oak for advice on how to help the wilted bloom grow tall. The wise old oak listened patiently, and with a gentle smile, he spoke. "My dear Buzz, you've been busy as a bee. But have you ever considered the role you play in the bloom's fate? I buzz pollinate, shaking the flowers to release pollen, so they can fertilize and grow anew. But sometimes, a bloom needs more than just pollen. It needs the sun, the rain, and time to mature and grow true." Buzz felt a spark of understanding. His heart swelled with a newfound wisdom. He returned to the wilted bloom and spent the day in quiet contemplation. The next morning, Buzz buzzed back to the bloom with a renewed sense of purpose in his heart. He buzzed around it, not with force, but with patience and a loving art. Days turned to weeks, and weeks to months, and slowly but surely, the wilted bloom began to grow. Its petals blushed with vibrant hues, and it stood tall, a sight to behold. Buzz was overjoyed, for he knew he had played a part in the bloom's rebirth. He learned that sometimes, a gentle touch is all that's needed to bring life to the earth. And so, Buzz continued his humble work, buzzing from flower to flower, day after day. He knew that every action, big or small, could make a difference in some subtle way. Moral asterisk. Every action, no matter how small, can have a profound impact. Patience and understanding often lead to a beautiful outcome. Remember, sometimes the gentle touch is all it takes to bring life, growth, and change.